Along with the right pool chemicals and regular cleaning, good circulation is a crucial part of keeping your water clean and clear. And bad circulation means your water can quickly become stagnant and start growing algae. Luckily, all it takes for good pool circulation is the right return jet placement and some simple filter system cleaning. Check it out. First, how does pool circulation work? It's a simple process, but each step is critical to keeping your water moving and filtered. Step 1, water flows out of the pool. Your pool pump sucks in the water from the pool through the skimmer, and that's that rectangular port with the flap door in the pool wall. Step number 2 is water flows through the pump and the filter. Once the water is sucked out of the pool by the pump, it passes through your pump and into your filter. The filter cleans the water by removing debris and contaminants. Step number 3, water flows back into the pool. After it passes through the filter, the water is pushed through the pool return jets. So how do you improve pool circulation? The first key is making sure that your return jets are positioned properly. Your pool jets keep the water moving and return clean water from the filter system back into your pool. They also help distribute chemicals throughout your water, so things like chlorine doesn't just sit in one spot in your pool. For good circulation, you'll need to direct the water flow from your pool return jets. Return jets should be multi-directional, meaning you can adjust them. If your jets aren't adjustable, it's worth purchasing new jet fittings that are. How should you aim the return jets in your pool? Well, if your pool only has one jet, point the jet toward the skimmer and downward. This will help push water from the bottom of the pool towards the surface. If you have more than one jet, point the jets in the same direction at a 45-degree angle toward the bottom of your pool. No matter how many jets you have, make sure the pool jets aren't pushing water directly at the skimmers or aiming towards the pool surface. The skimmer can only pick up debris if the surface of the water is calm and not moving too fast. That's also why you want to make sure that your water level in your pool is reaching halfway up the skimmer. Also, when your return jets are aimed at circulating the water at the bottom of your pool, you'll help mix that cooler water with warmer water towards the top, giving you a more even temperature in your pool. Now, what if your jets are blowing bubbles or the water flow is weak? If you see a lot of bubbles coming out of your return lines or you have weak jets, you might have an air leak in your filtration system. This usually occurs between the skimmer and the pump, and the leak could be at the unions, pump seals, or strainer lid. Another reason your water flow might be weak, a dirty filter system. By the way, if you're looking for help taking care of your filter system and the rest of your pool, check out our free pool care cheat sheet at swimuniversity.com/cheat sheet. It's a totally free, easy to use guide to help you keep your pool water clean and clear. Okay, so one of the quickest ways to improve your pool circulation is to clean your filter system. A clean filter means your pump can push more water through your hoses and out through your pool's return lines. Start by removing any debris from the skimmer baskets and then make sure that your filter itself is clean. If you're using a sand filter, backwash your filter if your reading is 10 psi above the normal reading. If you're using a cartridge filter, check it for buildup and spray it down in between filter changes, or if your filter is reading 10 psi above normal. Now, if you want good circulation, how long should you run your pool filter? Well, this depends on your pool's turnover rate. The turnover rate is the amount of time it takes to circulate all the water in your pool through your filtration system. Every pool should turn over its water once daily, and that usually means running your filter system for at least 8 hours a day. Now, if you're wondering if you have the right size pump and filter for your pool, check out our other video on how long you should run your pool pump. Finally, let's talk about dead areas. These are spots in your pool that naturally have poor circulation, like behind ladders, above your pool steps, underneath your skimmers, and cracks, corners, and crevices. Sometimes dead areas are unavoidable, and that means manually taking care of them by brushing your pool. So brush your pool at least once a week, especially in those dead areas, to help break up debris or algae and get them flowing into the filter. And if you have any more questions about pool cleaning and maintenance, go check out our free pool care cheat sheet at swimuniversity.com/cheat sheet. And that's it. That's how to keep your pool water circulating properly. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment or hit the like button. And be sure to subscribe for more pool maintenance tutorials throughout the season. That's it. Thanks again and happy swimming.